These are the crispiest smoked chicken wings I've ever made. About a kilo of wings, and today it's all about achieving a crispy skin, juicy meat, and that perfect smoky bite. We will start by separating the drums from the flats, and before anything else, we pat the wings dry to get that moisture off. Remember, dry wings equals crispier skin. Next up, we will create a simple rub which we will use as a dry brine. A little tip that helps the skin to puff up is a bit of baking powder combined with the rub. I just use some salt, pepper, paprika and garlic powder. Mix it up till the chicken wings are fully coated and put it in the fridge for at least 2 to 4 hours. Once the rub has set, we will switch on our smoker, and after the startup cycle, we will set the temperature to 150 degrees Celsius. As you can see, I am putting all my drums on the right hand side and flats on the left. I do this as my smoker runs a bit hotter on the right hand side. After about 30 minutes, we check the internal temperature, and once it reaches 65 degrees Celsius, we go ahead and bump up the temperature to 205 degrees. The high temperature really helps crisp up the skin. "10 minutes in, and you can already see the wings getting that nice char and color. At this point we will flip them and then leave them for an additional 10 minutes until the chicken reaches an internal temperature of 85 to 90 degrees Celsius. I'm gonna let the wings do the talking for this one. Skin's perfectly crispy, the meat is so juicy and packed with that nice smoky flavor. You can use any dipping sauce you prefer, but I'll link the recipe of my homemade go-to barbecue sauce in the comments. You know the drill, baby. If it's got meat on it, I'm gonna smoke it.